In this video, I will show you how to add custom token to Phantom Wallet. Now keep in mind that this works on both the mobile app and on the Chrome extension. So all you have to do is simply open Phantom, and then the next step is to simply tap on receive, as you can see right here. So as you can see, Phantom currently supports Solana tokens, Ethereum, and Polygon. Now all you have to do is simply select so you're gonna have to copy your Solana or Ethereum address, and then you're gonna have to simply receive some Solana or Ethereum. Now automatically, when you receive a new token, Phantom will display the token in your account or Chrome extension. So you don't have to add it manually. So let's say I want to buy this WEN. As you can see, I have some WEN token, this meme coin. So all I had to do is simply send from another wallet here some Solana. As you can see, I had some Solana, and then I can simply go and search for Solana tokens. And as you can see, if you want, you can basically select other types of tokens depending on the network, and then you're gonna have to simply click on them and then simply buy uh, whatever you want worth of Solana. So let's say I want to buy 10 Solana worth of this meme coin. You're gonna see that I'm gonna receive 47 million tokens. Now after I buy this, I'm gonna receive, and I can see the tokens right here automatically, so you don't have to add them manually. The only thing that you have to do is simply transfer you some Solana or Ethereum or Polygon. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.